All right, let's do something new. 2025 Topps Series 1. I guess we'll call this a jumbo pack. It's 36 cards, kind of looks like a jumbo pack. Let's see what we get in this one. We've got Jung Ho Lee. Very cool. Loving these new 2025 designs. Looks like the common code is going to be 97547. Rookie card of Jack Kochanowicz. Connor Wong. Ryan Jeffers. Jake Irvine, or Irvin, probably more like Irvin. National League leaders. Looks like ERA, Sale, Wheeler, and Imanaga. Looks like we've got Cedric Mullins, Royce Lewis, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Clearly Vladimir Guerrero's son. Oh, nice. We got the American League Detroit Tigers team card. Loving that. My favorite team. Very cool on that. We'll put them up on the stand. We've got Abraham Toro. Xavier Edwards. Jonah Heim. The National League Miami Marlins team card. Very cool. I think we've gotten that one before. Ryan Mountcastle. Carlos Correa. Blake Perkins. George Springer. American League Tampa Bay Devil Rays team card. We've gotten this one before. Matt Olson. Bryce Turang. Jacob deGrom. American League, I guess they're called now the Los Angeles Angels, formerly the Anaheim Angels, and originally the California Angels team card there. Gabriel Moreno. What do we got here? Very nice. Got a pink sparkle card, rookie card of Kobe Mayo. Very nice. That's still going to be a 97547 code, but clearly a parallel. That's an awesome looking card. Put it up there. Oh, very nice. A 1990 Topps Retro 35th anniversary card of Wade Boggs. He just announced that he was cancer-free, so good for him. Hopefully he stays that way. It's an awesome card. We've got Stars of the MLB rookie card of Dylan Cruz. And we've got Christian Yelich. All right. Regular card, Zach DeZenzo rookie card. Seth Brown. Nick Gordon. Taj Bradley. National League Cincinnati Reds team card. We've gotten this one already. Nick Lodolo. Bryson Stott. And finally, Ben Rice rookie card. All right, not bad. Got a good bunch of players in that pack. What did we pick up? Well, we picked up the Detroit Tigers team card. That's awesome. In my opinion, of course. Maybe not for everyone. We picked up Kobe Mayo's rookie card, and it's a pink parallel version. I do not see a serial number, but that's okay. Still cool nonetheless. And we picked up Wade Boggs's throwback 1990 Topps card. That's awesome. That's a beautiful card. Absolutely gorgeous. There you have it, folks. 2025 Topps Series 1 36 card jumbo pack is, I guess, what we're calling it. All right, stay tuned. We'll do one more pack, and little hint. Let's open up a true 1990 Topps jumbo pack next.